the light. Hitting all the spots where the paper feels right. Living for the moment every day and night.
Hey, what is going on today, guys? So, in last video, I reviewed these ceramic TikTok bearings, and they surprisingly did quite well for $17. But in the last video, we found out that these make a lot of noise for being brand new bearings. So today, we're just going to be doing a quick little wash and re-oil them. And so yeah, today that's just what we're going to do. And so yeah, other than that, let's get to cleaning these out and see what happens.
Yeah. Riding down the street with my crew so tight. Skateboard wheels rolling under the light. Hitting all the spots where the pavement feels right. Living for the moment every day and night. Pizza in my hand while the sun goes down. Laughing with my friends as we own the town. Skating glide, we never fade. Every trick we got is made to amaze. Through the streets we chase the blaze. Living fast in endless days. Yeah, kick flips flying high with the wind so free. Grinding on the rails where the shadows be. No one catches us wild and bold. Writing stories in the streets of gold. Pizza in my hand while the sun goes down. Laughing with my friends as we own the sound. Whoa. Skating glide, we never fade. Every trip we got it made to amaze. Through the streets we chase a blaze. Living fast in endless days. Riding down the street with my crew so tight. Skateboard wheels rolling under the light. Hitting all the spots where the pavement feels right. Living for the moment every day and night. Pizza in my hand while the sun goes down. Laughing with my friends as we own the town. Skate and climb, we never fade. Every trick we got is made to amaze. Through the streets we chase the blaze. Living fast in endless days. Kick flips flying high with the wind so free. Grinding on the rails where the shadows be. No one catches us, we're wild and bold. Writing stories in the streets of gold. Pizza in my hand while the sun goes down. Laughing with my friends as we own the town. Skating, glide, we never say.
Alright, so after cleaning and oiling these bearings, they definitely did a lot better. If they came like this out of the package, I would most definitely rate these at platinum, but definitely they still, in my opinion, rank gold, just because the little extra maintenance at the end. I mean, they're really good for the value. They're 10 out of 10 across the board, except for that little noise out of the package. So, unfortunately, the fact that you have to put a little extra maintenance into these out of the package kind of keeps them at gold, unfortunately, in my opinion. But other than that, don't forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. And yeah, comment what you would like to see next.